In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your bookkeeping reflects actual business expenses. If you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher on how to do this, stick around as we'll walk through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. First, you need to access QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. For those who already have an account, you can directly sign in by clicking on the Sign In option on the QuickBooks Online page. Once there, you will be prompted to enter your account details. Fill in your credentials, then click Continue to proceed. If necessary, enter your password and click Continue again. After successfully logging in, you will need to choose the correct company file from the list, which contains the data relevant to your business accounting needs. Now that you are logged into the right company file, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Plus Create. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Expense. This action will lead you to an expense entry form where you can record your credit card charge. In the form, start by entering the payee, which is essentially the vendor or merchant from whom the purchase was made. You can select an existing name, or add a new one if necessary. Once done, move to the Payment Account drop-down. This is where you select your credit card account, indicating which account the charge should be recorded against in QuickBooks. Next, accurately input the payment date to match your receipt, ensuring that the transaction is reflected correctly in your records. The payment method will be set to credit card by default, so you don't need to change this option. Afterward, you need to provide detailed purchase information. Choose the appropriate category for the expense, whether it's office supplies, travel expenses, or meals. In the description box, jot down a brief note for future reference. You will also have to enter the total amount of the charge and, if applicable, select the correct sales tax rate to ensure compliance with tax regulations. If you have a receipt, attaching this to the transaction is optional but recommended for accurate record keeping. Simply click Attach to upload a photo or a PDF version of your receipt. Once everything is filled out correctly, you can either click Save and Close to finish the process or Save and New to add another transaction. By following these steps, you ensure that your credit card charges are accurately recorded in your QuickBooks Online account, helping you keep track of your business finances efficiently.